Hello, hello. Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we're gonna make some more vintage postcards. I made a video a while ago and you guys seemed to really like it. So today I wanted to make another one. These are the ones I made before. They're a little bit smaller. These are 4x6. So this time we're going bigger and more grungy. So these are 5x7. And then I just went super grungy with it, and that's what we're going to be doing today. So this is one I made earlier. I'm going to show you how to make it. So let's get started. So get out your stamps and let's make some postcards, okay? Come on. Because I want to use these stamps here that I got a while ago. These are big, so I wanted to make big postcards. So get out your favorite postage stamps and craft along with me. I already made 2 here. I made my own stamps. I got these ones here, so we're going to use these. So I made these 2 already. These are both American. This one's from Bridgeport, Connecticut, and this one is from Washington, D.C. Yeah, I just really grunged them up this time. I didn't do that last time. If you didn't see that video, that's this one here. And I just used stamps on these. So on this one I used some coffee and did some like coffee rings and stuff like that. These 2 are gonna be Paris and London. So this one is gonna be London, I think. Yeah, and then this one will be Paris. So these 2 I'm gonna do on camera with you. Okay, so let's see, what are we gonna do first? We're gonna do our stamp first. So this one we're gonna do, this is a flower. I think I'll use this lady here. She looks really pretty. So we're gonna put her up in the corner. There. That is so pretty. I love making my own stickers. So there's that. And then we got 2 London stamps here that we can use. Uh-oh, I better change my battery now because it's already getting low. Okay, I'm back. Got a fresh battery. We're good now. Okay, let's do, already got that. Let's put some lines on it so they can write. Grunge this up a little bit. Let's stamp. Oh, now I gotta distress the edges too. Do that. Just take your scissors and scrape them across the edge. I don't have one of those distressing things from Tim Holtz, so scissors work for me. I like to do that too, rough it up real good. We want this to look old. Probably should have did that before I put the stamp on there. And take our distress ink and ink it up. Let's bend the edges. There we go. And we're going to use this stamp. Maybe we should do it, that was too big. Let's do it down here. Just stamp off a little bit so it looks old. Yeah, I didn't expect the last one to do that well, and you guys loved it. I wanted to make another one. This one we'll put up here. I forgot to stamp off again. Let's see, do I have any other London ones? Okay, I got this received stamp, and then I have an airmail one. Via airmail, I'm going to use that one. And this time I'm going to go light. Now let's do this one. That way it doesn't come out so dark. And then we're going to use, I'll put them away later. This big one here with the flower. I'm going to use that over here in the corner. Just like that. But I'm going to do it in gray so it's not so dark. And the hickory smoked. Yep, I like it. That way they still have room for their address. Let's see, what else can we do? Or is that enough? Gotta do the coffee stains. I just dip my water bottle, press it into the paper. Oh, that's a little much. Do one here. Yep, I think that's good. Okay, where's my napkin? Dab that on. Yep, there it is. Looks so cool. Okay, next, let's do, this is gonna be Paris based. I'm gonna clean up the London stuff and then I'll be right back. Okay, got all the Paris stuff out and we're ready to go. I got these two here. They both say Paris, or well, obviously. And then I have a bunch of Paris ones. That one, that one, that one. This one says Paris here, but this looks like a passport stamp. And then I got this one, Paris. That one's upside down. Eiffel Tower too. I don't have another one though that says the carte postale, however you say it. So I'm just going to use this one. It's pretty. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, I'm going to grunge it up and like distress the edges. I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll come back since you already saw me do it on the other one. Okay, I'm back. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to use this stamp here. Put these under books last night to flatten them out after I coffee dyed them, and now I'm wrinkling them up again. Stamp off a little bit. I'm sure I did have some of the Paris ones, I just didn't make one. But I need a butterfly anyway. Let's see. I was going to use this one on the other one, so I might as well just use that one. I'm going to put this one a little crooked. Okay, and then I need to put some lines. This is too short. That works. Do I want to put lines? Let's do, I think on this one I'm going to do this like, okay, and then we'll do the Paris stamp. And I have this one too. This side of card is for address. I want to put this one, but I don't want to do the whole thing. I just want to do part of it. End up getting that all over us. Or me. So I'm just going to ink part of it so I can only get the Eiffel Tower right there. Yep. And then we need, I already did that flower. We already did, this is butterfly. I need a butterfly. Let's do this one. Gimme. And get the gray out again. And then we have this too. I got Paris. I'm gonna put that somewhere. I have this too where it says Republique Française French. I don't know. I have one that says carte. I'm butchering it, I'm sorry. But I have this one here. It's just too small for this. So, but I am gonna put the little Republic one in it. Put that underneath here. There. Not like we can't tell it's French anyway, but still, we have that. Okay, so I'm going to do the butterfly in gray. I have these two that I might have to do in gray, and I still want to do the Paris one. I have a lot of Paris ones, like I said, so I want to use them all. There's another one. I didn't do that one. That one's that. Where's that one? There it is. Okay, let me do my butterfly first. And to do Paris. Do that over here. I know I don't have to use them all, but I want to. I don't use them enough. This one here, I'm not going to use that one or that one because I want to use those other two. I have stamps everywhere. Let's see, this one here. I've never even used this stamp. It's brand new. Let's see, we'll do it like this and we'll put it up here. You can barely see it. And then this one, we'll do the same thing. Yeah, I like it. See, let's do more down here. Yeah. Okay, then we just need to do our coffee stains. Oops, not enough coffee. Oops, I dripped. Dab it off with the paper towel. And there it is. So cool. I think it could use some more grunging. So I think I'm going to go with it, do a little bit more, and then I'll come back and show you them all. This one still looks like it needs some aging, but I've done this in, I think the file folder video. I mentioned that I like to take and put ink on my mat here and just rub it in it. That's what this is. So I did that on all of them. And there they are. They look so cool. That was super fun. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you crafted along with me and made your own postcards. I can't say I have a favorite. They're all cool. Okay guys, so here they all are, all the finished postcards that we made. So I hope you liked the video, and if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I love making videos like this for you guys, and give me any ideas you guys have for other videos that you'd like to see me do. I'd love to try it, and I'm always up for a challenge. Leave your comments down below. Hit that like button if you liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.